So we're going to have a quick look at adjectives for nationality in Spanish, e.g. when we use English or Spanish or French. These normally follow the same sorts of rules as normal adjectives, but there is a slight twist. So let's have a little look. So formation, said same as normal adjectives, but a little twist. And they're kind of special, I suppose, because they do certain things that the other adjectives don't. They still go after the noun, the thing, or the person, so like most other adjectives. So you could say Spanish food, and in Spanish you'd say food Spanish, or Italian jacket, you'd say jacket Italian. And they also have to agree whether the object, the noun, is masculine, feminine, or plural. Unlike in English, nationalities don't have capital letters, unless of course it's starting a sentence, but not very likely. So for the masculine, this is like normal adjectives. If it ends in any letter, you just leave it for the singular. So just the thing that you find in the dictionary, that's it. You leave it like it is, and then you add an s on the end of a vowel if it ends in a vowel to make it plural, or if it ends in a consonant, you add es to make it masculine plural. So that's just like normal adjectives. So here's an example. So un chico italiano ends in an o, a vowel. Unos chicos italianos, an Italian boy. Italian boys. Okay, so just put an s on the end, as we can see here. Okay, another example, un chico español, this time ends in a consonant. Unos chicos españoles, put es on the end for our plural. Okay, but unlike normal adjectives, if the masculine version ends in a consonant, you add an a for the feminine and as for feminine plural. So there's an example. Un chico español, but una chica española, put the a on the end, or unas chicas españolas. So a Spanish girl or some Spanish girls. However, like other adjectives, if it ends in an o, you just change it to the a for the feminine and add an s if it's feminine plural, like other adjectives. So un chico chino, una chica china, so it ends in an o, you just change that o to an a for the feminine. Unos chicos chinos, to the feminine, unas chicas chinas. So Chinese boy, a Chinese girl, some Chinese boys, some Chinese girls. Okay, right. So let's have some practice. So these are the words in English, and I've started them off for you in Spanish. Remember that the noun goes first, which is what I've written at the beginning here. So Spanish food, I've given you the word comida. Remember, if it ends in a, it's feminine. As, feminine plural. Ends in o, it's masculine, in this case masculine plural. O, masculine singular. If it ends in ion, anything that ends in ion is feminine. Os, masculine, o, masculine. Okay, so have a little go. This isn't a test, so use your notes, pause it here, and then go on to the next section to find the answers. Okay, so first one, comida española. Ends in a consonant, it's a feminine word, so we add an a on the end, Spanish food. Unas casas italianas, normally ends in o, but this is feminine and plural, so italianas. Una chica alemana, ends in a consonant normally, add an a because it's a girl. Unos chicos alemanes, like normal adjectives, ends in a consonant, add es for the masculine plural. Un monumento americano, ends in o, or you could do estadounidense. Unos monumentos americanos, or estadounidenses, you could use either of these, but like other adjectives, s on the end for the plural because it ends in a vowel. Cinco libros españoles, ends the consonant, add a es, 5 Spanish books. Una canción francesa, not like other adjectives, ends in an s, we add a on the end. Notice this case as well, that the accent off of here, when it becomes feminine or plural, it drops the accent. Unos periódicos franceses, so masculine again, masculine plural here, and again the accent gets dropped. Same as inglés or galés or escocés, the same thing, the accents would be dropped. Alemán in this case as well, the accent gets dropped. And the last one, un cuadro japonés, keeps its accent because it's singular. If it was plural or feminine, then the accent would disappear. Okay, just rewind it back if you want to go through it again.